This is 2,3-dibromobutane. It has 2 chiral centers. Let's figure out if they are R or S. So first, let's look at carbon number 2. I'm going to rotate it so that this yellow hydrogen is in the back. The 3 other groups on this carbon, in priority order, are bromine, the carbon attached to a bromine, the carbon attached to hydrogens. This is clockwise. When this lowest priority is in the back, that makes this R. Now let's look at carbon 3. I am going to rotate it so that the lowest priority hydrogen is in the back. This is priority 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is counterclockwise, so this is S. That means that this molecule is 2R3S dibromobutane. A mirror image of this molecule would be 2S3R dibromobutane. Normally, that mirror image would give us an enantiomer. But do you want to know an easier way to convert this to that mirror image? Yeah, you just rotate it. Now we have, if carbon number 2 is on the left, this is 2S, this is 3R. So they're the same. The reason is symmetry. This molecule has an internal plane of symmetry at the bond between carbons 2 and 3. 1/2 of this molecule is a reflection of the other half. This is what cancels out chirality. This molecule has internal reflection. So this is called a meso compound.